Hi everybody and welcome to the Gibraltar Heritage Trust mini garden here at the main guard in Gibraltar. Over the past few weeks I've been volunteering to come in and just look after the plants and learn some more things about the history of Gibraltar, the main guard, and this cute little garden. Now today, like all days, I did some light cleanup, checked on the goldfish, gave them a little bit of food, and just made sure that the plants were all doing well. And the other thing that I did was I cleaned off some of the leaves. Now you'll notice here that there's a lot of this kind of orange looking sand on the leaves. In Gibraltar, we experience something called kalima. Now, that's a meteorological event where dust from the Saharan desert in Africa blows up into the atmosphere and over across the Strait of Gibraltar in the Mediterranean Sea, and then it lands in Gibraltar in the rain, and it also lands in the Iberian Peninsula, and sometimes it goes further north. However, what this does is when there's rain droplets or the dust from the sand falls down, it covers the plants. So for today, I just went around the garden and started wiping down very gently some of these leaves in order to clean them off. So far, so good. The plants are starting to dry out as we've had a little bit less rain over the past week. They've given them a chance to kind of soak up what water they've had, so they're all doing well. And the Gibraltar Heritage Trust garden keeps going well. It's my fourth or fifth week here helping take care of this little garden, and so far everything is going good and looking really well, and I'm learning so much more from the staff here about the plants and the history and everything here. Make sure to follow along as we go through the journey of taking care of the Gibraltar Heritage Trust mini garden, the garden oasis here at the back of the main guard. And as we progress into summer, it seems like some of the plants might be flowering, and so we'll get a good journey of what a lot of these different types of plants that live here in the Mediterranean climate can sustain. Thanks so much for joining, and we'll talk to you soon.